5 kilometers off Montignac, on the country road towards Les Izes, the listed castle is located directly on the banks of the Vézières. The medieval fortress, surrounded by walls and deep ditches, was replaced by an elegant summer residence in 1576. Entry is via the fortified Châtelet, one of the largest defenses of its kind in southwestern France. Here on the large, magnificent 16th century terrace, all the beauty is revealed in a spectacular view of the Vézières Valley. As early as the 11th century, the Delos family, originally from Flanders, settled in the Vézières Valley and built a fortress. At the end of the Middle Ages and the beginning of a certain comfort, the castles opened to the outside and to the light. However, they did not completely disarm, because the time was still troubled by the raging religious wars. Thus, the defense system was adapted to newly introduced technologies, especially artillery. We are allowed to admire the extraordinary furniture of the apartments from the 16th and 17th centuries during our visit. It shows the way of life of John II de Los during the time of the last Valois and the First Bourbons. At the end of the 20th century, as part of the architectural restoration, the gardens were redesigned to recreate the splendor imagined by John II de Los. A bit away from the castle, in the so-called Garden of the Princess, there is a garden lounge for a really good tasting snack and a tea room, but you also get a coffee.